The RYOBI 18-volt ONE HP Brushless 5-inch handheld tile and masonry saw. ONE HP technology delivers the convenience of a cordless handheld saw and the power to cut through hard natural stone with up to 1 5/8 inch of cut depth for cutting standard pavers in a single pass. The 5-inch continuous rim diamond blade cuts effortlessly through tile, brick, stone, and glass. Make precise bevel cuts with up to 45 degrees of bevel adjustment. The industry-leading 20.5-ounce onboard water tank allows for extensive wet cuts without being tied to a hose. Or use the included 12-foot water supply hose for unlimited water supply on larger-scale projects. The dust port is compatible with standard dust collection systems, keeping even dry cuts clean. The RYOBI 18-volt ONE HP Brushless 5-inch handheld tile and masonry saw, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.